What can you expect from today's video? Claim check, ingredients check, my experience, and is it really worth the hype? Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Katlari Akanksha. Cosrx Snail 96 Mucin Essence is one of the most popular products from the brand. Today we are going to find out each and every aspect of this product, and also we'll find out if it is really worth the hype and does what it claims, and if the hype is really real. I was actually aware about this product बहुत पहले से, but I was never really interested to get my hands on this. And my bad that I did not. But now when I'm using this for the past 2 months, trust me, this is such a magical potion. I mean, it is amazing, okay? It claims to have 96% of snail secretion filtrate, which is the mucin, and this essence helps your skin to lose less moisture from the surface, also keeping your skin smooth and healthy. This is actually the solution for every single skin concern, be it dryness, flakiness, redness, eczema, or anti-aging properties. If you need to inculcate in your skincare, this is the right option for beginners. And also it helps you with pigmentation, spots, or acne. Now obviously there are a lot of different snail mucin products available, but the best thing about the Cosrx one is that it has 96% of snail mucin, which means is bottle में 96% is the snail mucin filtrate itself, and only the rest 4% are other ingredients. Now it's time to check the ingredients, so let's get going. Ingredients check. The first ingredient obviously has to be the snail secretion filtrate. It is an antioxidant and also a moisturizer or a humectant. It has betaine, which is again a humectant. It has butylene glycol, which is again a humectant. It is also used as a solvent and thickening agent for the formulation. Yet another solvent, which is the hexane diol. Next ingredient is sodium hyaluronate, which we all know is the hyaluronic acid. Again, it's a superb humectant. Then it has arginine, which is actually an amino acid. It has allantoin and emollient, pretty much like a moisturizer itself. Then it has ethyl hexane diol, which is again a solvent for the formulation. Sodium polyacrylate, which is an emollient, which means a moisturizer, and also it has thickening properties. That was all about the ingredients, and looking at the ingredient list, I feel that there's not even one problematic ingredient in the Cosrx Snail Mucin. So pretty much it is helpful and suitable for people with all skin types. I have sensitive and acne prone skin, and this works magically on my skin. Since I started using this, my skin is really behaving itself, and it is radiant. I can feel that my skin is more supple and smoother than before. Actually, from the very first use itself, I started noticing the differences on my skin that it has created, and I cannot get over this product. I am obsessed. I use it both in my morning and nighttime skincare routine, and the best part about this product is that it is not sticky at all. Now a lot of people think that it is going to be very sticky, but ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. The very first few minutes, not minutes even, for the very first few seconds, it does feel a bit sticky or tacky when you are working it on your face, but slowly after 2-3 minutes it just settles completely into your skin and gives you that moisturization and hydration from within kind of a thing, and also it gives your skin a very subtle glow, and after it seeps completely into your skin, it gives you that glass skin effect. In the morning when I use it, no, I do not use much of the quantity, but raat ko I have dished my moisturizer completely. I use my alpha arbutin serum for my acne scars, and then I layer it up with the mucin. It provides the hydration and nourishment throughout the night, and even next morning तक आपकी skin बहुत ही ज़्यादा hydrated and glowy रहती है. Yes, it is a bit expensive. You get 100 ml of product for 1450 rupees, but this is really worth the money, you guys. You should definitely check this out. Let's have a look at the final checklist. True to the claims? Obviously, yes, it does what it claims. Actually, it does a little more than it claims. So yeah, just close your eyes, go for this. Affordability. Well, it is not that affordable, I will be very honest, but it is really worth the money. You know, if you can splurge that amount of money, it is really gonna work magic on your skin. Quantity. Well, quantity is really good. I love that it has 100 ml of product and it goes a long way. Suitable for sensitive skin. Obviously, it is suitable for sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin. I use it day and night. It is my holy grail. So yes, sensitive skin beauties can definitely work with this. Does it improve the overall health of the skin? Yes, I have definitely seen a huge difference in the overall texture and how my skin looks. It is more supple, it is more smooth, it is more glowy, and my skin is not dry anymore. It is always hydrated. I cannot express my love for this product, you guys. I would recommend each and everyone who I know, who I love, to go and give this a try, because this is really amazing. So that was my in-depth review on the COSRX Nail 96 Mucin Essence, and I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below what other videos you want me to do, and if you have any queries regarding this product, I will be more than happy to help you out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.